This is Apostle Lance Businge, your marriage and relationships coach. So many of us believe that if you want to succeed in marriage, the key is in choosing the right person. And I've had so many people say, Apostle, I think I married wrong. Yes, it is true that most of us have taught that if you want to succeed in marriage, then the key is in choosing the right person. But from experience, I have come to realize that it is not only about you choosing the right person, it is also about you behaving right in your marriage. So it is choosing the right person coupled with the right behavior which makes the marriage successful. And also from experience, I've discovered that most of us get married knowing and are sure that we have married the right people. And the reason why we end up thinking that maybe we married wrong or we made the wrong choices is because of how people have behaved in the marriage. So this is what I have come to conclude, that the key to a successful marriage is right behavior. So whether you have married the right person or you are not sure you married the right person, if you behave right in your marriage, you will succeed in that marriage. So many of us are behaving wrong. We are having so many bad habits in our marriages, and then wondering why our marriages are not working out. So this is what I want us to understand. When we continue teaching people that the key to a successful marriage is only in finding the right person, we are then grooming laziness in our marriages. Because when people feel like, oh, when you find the right person, automatically your marriage will thrive, they will not give attention to their behavior or attention to their actions. And what is destroying marriages is our bad behavior. So I want us to understand from now onwards that your marriage is not failing because you married wrong. Your marriage is failing because you are behaving wrong. And so if you want to improve the quality of your marriage, actually, if you want to even restore peace and happiness and harmony and connection in your marriage, all you have to do is behave right. Treat your spouse right. If you don't do all this, your marriage will fail even when you're married to the right person. I know of people who divorced, but they were sure they married right. And the reason for that is because we behaved wrong. So I want to assure you that if you are not behaving right, even with the right person, you are going to mess up your marriage. Stay blessed.